How to draw Sonic as Deadpool. Hey everyone! So for the first step of our drawing today, we're going to begin to make a triangle-like shape right here on the top right-hand corner of the page. This will be the first ear of Sonic as Deadpool. Nice job! Next, we're going to make an outline just on the top of the triangle-like shape. Now slightly below and to the left, we're going to make an upside down C-like shape. Now we're going to connect what we just drew to the ear on the right hand side. We're going to use a long curved line, starting right in the center of the C-like shape. Next, on the right side of the ear, we're going to draw two pieces of hair. These pieces of hair will look similar to a big triangle-like shape. Next, on the left-hand side, above the eyebrow, we're going to draw the second ear by using a triangle-like shape. Now, below the eyebrow, we're going to begin to draw the nose as well as the outline for the face. We're going to make a C-like shape to make the nose. We're not going to make it an oval just yet. From the top right point of the C-like shape that we just drew, we're going to make a long curvy line going out. This will be the top of the outline of the mouth. Whoa, so far this is a great start learning how to draw Hub Crew. Next, we're going to begin to draw the outline of the eyes. Be sure to be very careful because this step is a little bit tricky. Pause the video as you need to so that you can go step by step. Directly above the right eye, we're going to begin to add in a second eyebrow by using a curvy line. Now to draw the pupils of the eyes, we're going to make big oval-like shapes, although we're going to leave the pupils blank. On the left-hand side, we're going to draw the second oval-like shape, although this will be a little bit smaller. The reason for making this a little bit smaller is to help make the perspective. Nice job! So far the face looks great. Now we're going to finish drawing the outline of the mouth. We're going to connect the nose from the bottom point all the way over to the right point. All done? If so, let's continue. If not, feel free to pause the video. Now on the inside of what we just made, we're going to begin to draw the mouth. To draw my mouth, I'm just going to use a simple straight line to make it appear as if Sonic as Deadpool has a serious face. Now below the head, we're going to begin to draw the belt. For the first step of making the belt, we're going to make the Deadpool logo in the center. For the first step of drawing the Deadpool logo, we're just going to make a simple circle. Now around those two shapes that we just drew, we're going to fill it in black, but we're going to leave in a small space that will be left white, because later on in the video you're going to notice that this will be colored in red. Great job! Next, we're going to draw a line coming down from the head on the left hand side. This will come down next to the symbol and we're going to make a belt. From that point, in order to draw the belt, we're going to draw a rectangular-like shape that will connect to the symbol. On the inside of this rectangular-like shape, we're going to draw small lines going up and down, a total of 4, for detail. Now on the right-hand side of our symbol, we're going to draw the third part of our belt, which will look similar to what we just made on the left-hand side. Now we're going to use a curved line to connect the bottom of the face down to the right side of the belt. Now on the inside of the chest, we're going to draw two shapes for details, one on the left and one on the right hand side. Let's hop right down here, and we're going to begin to make our first shape. In order to stay symmetrical, we're going to make a second shape on the right hand side. Now on the right side of the chest, we're going to draw the first arm as well as hands. We're going to begin by drawing the first arm by using two curved lines. At the top of the arm, we're going to draw a small line to help separate the colors. On the bottom of the arm, we're going to begin to draw a line. This line will help make the hand. From this line, we're going to make a shape that will look similar to a curved rectangle. Now a little to the right, so we're going to begin to draw the fist. In total, we're going to make Sonic have 5 fingers. We're drawing the fist to make it appear as if it is clenched so that we can draw a sword in afterwards. Now let's connect the fist to that curved rectangular-like shape to the left. On the inside of the shape that we just drew, we're going to add in one line that will be going up and down. Next, we're going to draw a sword in the right hand. We're going to draw a rectangular-like shape on top and a rectangular-like shape down below. Now on top of the first rectangular shape that we drew, we're going to begin to draw the blade of the sword. All done? If so, let's continue. If not, feel free to pause the video. Next, we're going to begin to draw the rest of Sonic's hair. Let's draw two more small hair pieces to the right of the chest, which will make it appear as if it is on Sonic's back. Well done learning how to draw hub crew. Next, below the belt, we're going to begin to draw the legs. We're going to make two small curved lines pointing up towards the belt. These will look similar to sea-like shapes, but first I'm going to move up the page just a little bit so that you can see everything that I make. Next, we're going to connect these two curved lines. First, we're going to connect the inside points by using lines that meet in the middle. Nicely done. Now let's finish drawing the legs by connecting long lines all the way from the belt all the way down to the end point. Now on the bottom of the legs, we're going to draw the socks as well as shoes. We're going to first begin by drawing the socks. But first, I'm going to move the paper up just a little bit so that you can see everything that I draw. Directly beneath the sock, we're going to draw the shoe. This part might be a little bit tricky, so be sure to pause the video as you need to. Nice job! Now we're going to draw the left sock and shoe the same size as the right. Now on the left and right side of the chest, we have a design that we previously made. We're going to begin to make a similar design but on the legs. Now for one of the last steps, we're going to draw the arm, hand, and sword on the left hand side of the page. We will first begin by drawing a vertical rectangular shape that will have two lines connecting it to the chest. Now we will draw a total of 5 fingers that will be clenched in a fist because this hand will also be holding a sword with a wrist that is connected to the arm. If you enjoy watching step-by-step drawing tutorials just like this video, then I highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button and checking out our Sonic series playlist where you can see other Sonic characters and how we drew them step by step. Now for the second to last step, we're going to draw the sword inside of the hand. Be sure to pause the video as you need to. Fantastic, now we're almost done. For the last step of our drawing today, we're going to begin to fill in the nose of Sonic. We're going to leave a small white dot in the center. This is how to draw Sonic as Deadpool. Thank you for watching on How to Draw Hub. As I previously mentioned, if you want to see more videos just like this, then I highly recommend you consider hitting the subscribe button. And if this video helped you out today, be sure to give it a big like so that other YouTube artists can see it as well. Next, I'm going to show a picture of this drawing colored in so that you can pause the video and color it in as you please. See you next time, Learn How to Draw Hub crew. Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.